Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let me help you get a better understanding of Cleo's privacy policy. So knowing how Cleo handles your data is important for your peace of mind. Here's how to easily access and understand the privacy policy. First step, open Cleo and head to settings. Now settings can be found by tapping your profile or the year icon. Next, you're going to tap privacy policy. Now this is usually located under the legal or account section. Next, you're going to read through key sections. Now you want to focus on areas like what information Cleo collects, as well as how your data is stored, also when and why your information is shared. Next step is to pay attention to opt-out options. Now, Cleo may give you choices to control how your information is used for marketing purposes. Next up, contact Cleo if you have privacy questions. There's usually a contact email listed at the bottom of the privacy policy. You can use that to contact Cleo and basically ask whatever questions you have regarding privacy. Understanding Cleo's privacy practices helps you use the app with total confidence. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.